Have you ever wondered how to train your fruit trees in the art of espalier? Welcome to the fascinating world of espalier, a horticultural technique that transforms ordinary trees and shrubs into living art pieces. By training them against a wall or trellis, they can grow into an array of decorative patterns. Beyond aesthetics, espalier also offers practical benefits. It can save space in your garden, enhance fruit production, and even serve as a natural barrier. Now let's dive into the steps to create your own espalier. Begin the journey of espalier with selecting the right tree. The beauty of espalier lies in its compatibility with a variety of trees and shrubs. However, fruit trees like apple, pear, and citrus are commonly used due to their flexible branches and attractive fruits. Once you've chosen your tree, the next step is planting and positioning. Plant your tree close to a wall or fence, which will act as a support for the branches and provide protection from harsh weather conditions. Now comes the creative part, selecting the branches and tying them to the support. Use soft ties to gently guide the branches, forming them into the desired pattern. Pruning is the final step in the process and is crucial for maintaining the shape. Be sure to prune new growth regularly, keeping the branches in check and encouraging the tree to put energy into fruit production. Remember, patience is key in the art of espalier, as it may take several seasons to achieve the desired shape. Espalier is more than just a gardening technique, it's an art form. It's a beautiful fusion of nature and careful nurturing that reaps bountiful rewards. Remember, the steps to espalier are simple, but require patience and dedication. The benefits are manifold, from space saving to increased fruit yield. It's a testament to the wonders we can achieve when we work in harmony with nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!